Starting soon. Starting soon. Starting soon. Starting soon. Starting soon. It say what it said. Starting soon. Like, subscribe. I'm starting soon. Starting soon. Starting soon. Hit that like. You better subscribe. I'm starting soon. I'm starting soon. I'm starting soon. I'm sitting down. Take a sip of this water. Right now. I'm starting soon. Starting soon. I'm about to start though. Give me a second. Finish getting things set up. Probably about like 3-4 minutes. Starting. Yeah, a couple more minutes. Not even that many. I'm just gonna load up my Ninja Trader. I used to have music playing in the background, but I got hit with copyright for that. So until I found some copyright free music or something, this ain't gonna work. It's gonna be silent in the background. So the week of the 29th through the 3rd. Alright. Starting soon. We starting soon. It's loading up. It's starting soon. It's our last back test of the week, or the first of the week, the last of the weekend. We got some live trading to do this week. Our evaluation, I don't say live, but our evaluation, we'll finish it off. Yeah, we're gonna finish off this evaluation this week. It's starting soon. We started. I say the 30th through the 3rd, 29th to the 3rd. This upcoming week is going to be like our last normal, or our first normal week after the holidays. So I'm expecting my strategies to be like to work out as far as the probabilities being more in my favor, because like the last 2 weeks which I traded my last trade of the year, I believe it might have been, I don't think I traded this week. Let me see. The last day I traded last year was the 26th. So yeah, I shouldn't even traded them weeks. I got the whole page just skipped. I'm not gonna do that. But like my last trade of last year was the 26th, was the day after Christmas. And my first trade of this year was the 2nd, was the day after New Year's. So these were both unprofitable days, like days I should have most likely stayed out of the market. So in the future, I'm gonna stay out of the market these 2 weeks, like the week of Christmas, the week of New Year's. And just come back, like finish off December, and then just come back January, 2nd week of January or mid-January, something like that. But yeah, now we got this market replay data downloaded. I'm I'm gonna get into. Let me get into like fast forwarding it so I can. What is it doing? Let's disconnect for a second. I'm gonna reconnect. It's not gonna let me disconnect. Alright. There we go. So what do we say? We was doing the 29th to the 3rd. I'll load that right there. I'm gonna remove all these levels again. Start from scratch. The only levels I'm leaving are the ones on my 60, my 4 hour, my daily. So you can see the 5 minutes is non-existent. Move this over here to the right, out the way. I'm gonna clear this chart too. Alright, let's start the daily. Maximize the screen so we can see everything. And that's the 29th, so we gotta at least get it to the 30th around 7 a.m. So I'm gonna fast forward it, and then I'm gonna start marking the chart. Make sure our data is loading properly over here, down here. Just want to make sure everything matches up. Right now, see it's 05 and it's 09. So we want to get it loaded up. The market doesn't open until 6 p.m. So it's 12 a.m. So we got about 18 hours. About 12 hours, 6. Whew, another 12 hours, 6. Yeah, damn. Around when it shows 6 p.m., we should start seeing, data pop in. Alright, 5, 6, here we go. A session break. This is the daily. AM. I'm gonna slow it down. I'm gonna pause once we get to 7:15-ish, 7:30-ish. This week was crazy, man. And the week prior, man, like I was not having no love on these charts. And I was starting to think it was me, but it was really, that time like it was a short week this week, or last week, and the week before. And I noticed them 2 weeks in a row that I was, my stuff just wasn't clicking for me. It just wasn't clicking. It was not clicking. So this week, be a little patient. Hopefully I should start to see more setups. Alright, it's 7:35. I'm gonna push play on this. I'm gonna go check the news. What's the date? 12:30. Get my pen. Boom. Alright, 12:30. 9:45. Backtesting. Yeah, this week I don't know why I traded this week. Monday we had a bank holiday for Japan, and Tuesday bank holiday for everybody but the US. Then Wednesday everybody bank holiday. The market just, and I see why they didn't show me no love the last 2 weeks. These short weeks, a lot of these holidays. 12, 30, 24. We got news at 9:45 a.m. Orange folder, and 10 a.m. orange. Let's see what this 9:45 Chicago PMI talking about. It measures the level of diffusion index based on survey purchasing managers in the Chicago area. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. It's released monthly on the last business day of the current month. Data is given to MNI subscribers 3 minutes before the public release time listed on the calendar. Early market reaction is usually a result of trades made by these subscribers. Oh, so they get a little tip. Alright. Above 50 indicates expansion, below indicates contraction. What do we have this day? Whoa, way below. Contraction. Why traders care? It's a leading indicator of economic health. Businesses react quickly to market conditions, and their purchasing managers hold perhaps the most current and relevant insight into the company's view of the economy, and is derived via a survey of 200 purchasing managers in Chicago, which asks respondents to rate the relative level of business conditions, including employment, production, news, orders, prices, supplier deliveries, and inventories. So it's also called the Chicago Business Barometer, on Acrospan Purchasing Managers Index, PMI. Alright, let's see what the home sales was talking about this day too. It measures the number the source is National Association of Realtors, and it measures the change in the number of homes under the contract to be sold but still awaiting the closing transaction, excluding new construction. So the actual greater than forecast is good for currency. It was greater the last 2 times, even this time also, so it was great for currency. The data is released about a week later than existing home sales, but it's more forward-looking as a contract is signed several weeks before the home is counted as sold. And why we as traders care? Well, it's a leading indicator of economic health because the sale of a home triggers a wide-reaching ripple effect. For example, renovations are done by the new owners, a mortgage is sold by the financing bank, and brokers are paid to execute the transaction. So, also called pending resale. So, I know this ain't the same. Is this the same day we got the holiday in Japan? So yeah, we got a bank holiday in Japan. German bank holiday. New Zealand. That's Tuesday. All right, so we're up here. So I don't see a real volatile day. I got that. We're already moving upward, but it's a downtrend. So I'm marked down. I got my trends, my daily. It's downtrend. 4 hour, most likely a downtrend. Let's make that bigger. It looks a little choppy on this 4 hour. I ain't gonna hold you. It's a down. We'll call it a down. Most recently, it kind of looks choppy. Let's go to 60 minutes. And I'm gonna say it's choppy. So I'm not gonna really. Let's see what this 5 minutes looking like. Boom, boom, boom. 5 minute looking like an uptrend. Clearly. So the 4. On 1302. 60. And 1302. 5 minutes. And 1302. Destination. And 1328. I'm about to start drawing my support and resistance lines, road closures and detours. 4 hours, 60 minute, and my 5 minute charts. I'm starting my 4 hour. Look at I back tested yesterday, and the levels was all the way up here. So price has been going low these past couple weeks. It's dropping. Alright, so let's see. These blue lines are the ones I drew yesterday. And mark all these orange. Copy and paste them to my 60 minute. Let's write them down, starting from the bottom. Yeah, 113.06. Then I got 113.12. Then my next one ain't until 113.24. Then we got 114.00. And then 114.12. Dang, we got 6, 12, 24, 00, 12. Interesting. Alright, now we're on our 60 minute. can take here and break it up. Starting from the bottom, 113.06. Okay. On 13.18. On 13.18. 13.26. On 14.04. We can do 114.12. Alright, so we'll turn these white. Let's throw it at the top this time. Just copy and paste it in all my levels. It's 5-minute level. That's what I'm working right now. 113.02. Do 113.06 too. Then we got one 113.12. And 13.20. $13.29. resistance, yada yada yada, out the way. Or open. We got a door open. I'm gonna draw a zone, a region between here and here. Outline, I'm gonna make it transparent. Alright. $13, $11. $2. It's 753. We're not near none of the bricks, all the way up there. What I got? 113.06, 113.12. And 13.12. We got that gap here. As far as the current trend, would it be in an uptrend in the 5 minute, but it's a downtrend on these higher levels? I could be looking for it to roll over here and come make another low. If this being a high, like anything, if anything, my entry would want to be closer. It's not too far from 24. Probably 27 would be my stop. That's 8 ticks away from where we are now, and that's more than I'm willing to risk. Cause I can look at my 60 minute and it's still it's kind of current uptrend, but it's a lower low. I mean, it's a higher low, but it's a lower high, then a lower low. So this right here, the way that this is trending, looks like this could be a pullback to go and chase and take out this high. Maybe around this area. This would be a day that I probably wouldn't even want to trade, because the only bricks I got is down here and up here, and I would be wanting to wait. I would want to wait for price to get to close to one of those areas. It's not even close. I could see me getting into like a quick tick trade at 18. Like 18 to 22 or something like that. Like a quick 3 to 4 ticks. Other than that, it wouldn't even be worth trading this day. Yeah, 24 would be my stop. Well, price break under 19, then what? 18 and bounce. Like I said, I'm not even really interested in a buy unless price is coming back up here to 26. And then again up here to 29. My next Brix ain't until 14-12. I'm like in a midway, not midway, but I'm a little closer to the bottom than I am to the top. So 14 ticks to the side, way more than 14 to the up. So I wouldn't want to get in the middle. Like right here is the middle. Start, finish. And these are all detours, roadblocks. Like it can go up, come back down, go up. But ultimately, I got it going up. I mean, I'm going up, but trading in between 06 and 14-12. I'm not trading. I'm gonna just fast forward it. I guess it would be a day where I wouldn't trade. Let's fast forward it. What we got news at 9:45 and 10. Let's just finish marking up our chart. We might see something for a scalp, but really, this is where the discipline comes in. Cause like I said, a day like today, we're not nowhere near one of my levels that I would want to take a trade on. So it would really be like a waste. Not a waste, but it would really be me waiting, and who knows how long it's going to take to get to up here or down here. This is an uptrend now. And it's too far in the middle, or too far going from my level. I wanted to get in at 18. I would have never got back in at 18, especially with 19 acting as the support. 19 to 25, it's a good 4. So that's the flow right now. It's 8:30. We're still running up, respecting these levels. 9:30 coming. 9:45. That news didn't really do anything to us. Neither did the 10 o'clock news. We're still trading. We respected that. The 60 minutes here. 11 o'clock. I'm not even in the market no more. With the next trading day coming up, I would want price to come up here for me to short. We came and made another higher high though. Did we do it on the 5 minute too? Yeah, we definitely came and passed this up and cleared that. So the next level will be up here if we can break through here. It says 4:15, so this market is about to close. So I had no trade for the 12:30 session, so for the December 30th, so maybe December 31st I'll have something. This is December 31st right here. I'm gonna let it fast forward till it gets to 7 a.m. It's around our level that we would want to short. If we get a close under it, or a 4-hour or 60-minute candles. Oh, we're running. It looks like we're about to try to come and fill these levels up here. We definitely got to close above. It's only 12 a.m. so we got about 7 hours. We did no trade. Too far from Brix. So the price is too far from the levels that I'm not going to trade. And right here, it's closed above this level and created like a new hourly support. At 114.16. And it bounced at 16 too. Oh, it's 7:42. Slow down, partner. Slow down. Alright, so let's see. So for our open, we was here at 114.07. We're gonna go dot that. Boom. For our Asia session, I did not mean to do that. Asia, it might have been closed that day. It might have been a bank